In this video, you'll learn how to enable delivery receipts and read receipts in Outlook, both on the desktop app and on Outlook for the web. Delivery receipts confirm your email reached the recipient's mail server, while read receipts attempt to confirm the message was opened. Delivery is about arrival. Read is about viewing. Remember, read receipts are not guaranteed because some organizations block them and recipients can choose not to send one. To enable receipts for a single email in the Outlook desktop app, start by composing a new message. On the Classic ribbon, go to the Options tab. On the Simplified ribbon, open More Commands. From there, turn on Request a Delivery Receipt to confirm server delivery, and Request a Read Receipt to ask for confirmation when the message is opened. You can choose either or both, and Outlook will attach the request to that specific email. To make receipts your default behavior for every message, go to File, then Options. Select the Mail tab and scroll to the Tracking section. Enable Delivery Receipt confirming the message was delivered, and enable Read Receipt confirming the recipient viewed the message if you want automatic confirmations. These settings stay active until you turn them off. If recipients find read receipts intrusive, consider enabling only delivery receipts or toggling these options as needed. For Outlook on the web, create a new email, click the three dots for more options, then choose Request a Delivery Receipt or Request a Read Receipt. These apply only to the current email, just like on desktop. Keep in mind that receipt notifications usually arrive in your inbox as system messages, so check junk or filtered folders if you don't see them. Some mobile apps and external email services may ignore read receipt requests entirely. Use receipts as helpful indicators, but not guaranteed proof, and combine them with proper follow UPS when necessary.